Good morning, children. Here we are going to study new block. Block number 3. Numbers on a number line. Here you can write in your notebook numbers on a number line. You know numbers. We know numbers because you are familiar with numbers. We already study numbers from 0 to 200. So we know numbers, but you know number line. What is number line? We are familiar with numbers, but we don't know about number line. Do you like football? Who is your favorite football player? Neymar? Messi? No, Ronaldo? Okay. They are used to wear jersey while playing. You know that. Here I had a jersey. And we know in the back side there will be a number. So here, can you see a number here? Number 11. So once I went through a house of a washerman. You know washerman? He will wash all the clothes of my villagers and will hang in a rope for drying. And after he will iron it and will give to us. So he used to wash the clothes. When I went through his house, I saw some of the jersey he washed and hanging like this, hanging in a straight rope. Can you see? Can you see some jerseys are hanging in a straight rope? I'm very fascinated. Why? Here he hanged all the jerseys in a straight rope, and also the jersey number is starting from 0 and after 1. So the jersey number 1 is in after the jersey number 0, and the jersey number 2 is after the jersey number 1. And what about 3? Jersey number 3, it is after the jersey number 2. So on. And 4 is after number 3. Okay. And another interesting thing is the gap between these two jerseys is equal to the gap between this. So I can see that the gap between jersey number 0 and 1 is equal to the gap between jersey number 1 and 2. And this gap is equal to the gap between jersey number 2 and 3. And here also the gap between 3 and 4 is equal to 4 and 5 and 5 and 6 and 6 and 7. So this is the amazing things that I have seen in his house. He had hanging all the jerseys in a straight rope, and the jersey number 0 is starting on the first, and then 1 and 2, 3 and so on. And the gap between 0 and 1 is equal to the gap between jersey number 1 and 2. So I think, can I mark the numbers like this? The numbers, can I mark numbers in a straight line? Can I mark? Yes. That is we are going to in this chapter, the first chapter, lesson 1, showing the numbers on a number line. This is lesson number 1. Showing numbers on a number line. On a number line. Please Please write in your notebook. The lesson number 1, showing numbers on a number line. So here, I need to mark numbers on a number line, like the jerseys hanging on a straight rope. So, I need a straight line to mark numbers. So here, I take a ruler or a scale. So, I can easily draw straight line. Here I am going to draw a straight line using the ruler. Here is my straight line, and then notice the gap between the jerseys. You remember, the gap between the jerseys are equal. So, we have to mark the numbers in equal distance. So, in a ruler or in a scale, we can see between 0 and 1. You can see between 0 and 1, and the length between 1 and 2 are equal, and the 2 and 3, 3 and 4 are equal, and it is the length of my forefinger, isn't it? It is the length of my forefinger. So here, this is the distance between two numbers in a scale. So, I can use this scale or this ruler for making equal distance, equal gap between two numbers. So, here I am starting with 0 and I marked a point in the number 0. Then, I can take the number 10 here. It's a big board, so we have enough space to mark the length. So I took number 10, number 20 to mark the third point. And can you say what will be the next number? Number 30. So I mark in number 30, and next 40 and 50, 60 and 70, 80 and 90, and last 100. So here I got the marks or the point are in equal distance. First, I draw a straight line and then marked some points clearly at equal distance. So, it looks very neat, isn't it? So, here, then you remember the jersey. Jersey number 0 in first. So, I marked here 0, and after 0, 1, after 1, 2, and after 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here I got number 1, number 0 in first, and then 1, 2, 3, and so on. So I marked the numbers in a straight line. This is the number line. So we can say number line is a line, is a straight line. It's a line in which numbers are written in a order. That is, the gap between two numbers are equal. So, can you say after the number 9, what will be the number after 9? 10. And after 10, 11. And after 11, 12. And then 13, 14, so on. So, we know the numbers are infinite. That means never end. It is increase and more and more. So we can say after 99 and after 100, 100 not 1, and after 100 not 1, 100 not 2. So we can draw or we can mark all this number in here. No, we know the numbers are more and more. So we have to mark, that is, numbers are more and more. So I put a arrow here, an arrow mark here. It indicates the numbers never ends. It is more and more. After 9, so many numbers are there. So here we studied about number line. So we can write keyword number line. So number line is a line where the numbers are written in order. So please write in your notebook, what is number line? Number line is a line where numbers are written in order. We can say an example by drawing a straight line like this, and the numbers starting from 0, and I can take any convenient length. Here I am again taking the number 0 and using the skip count by 10, then marking the number 10 and 20, 30, 40, 50 like that. And so here we can see the gap between these points are equal. And I am going to mark the numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So only 8 and the numbers, and in 8, no, there are more and more numbers. So we have to put a arrow mark here to indicate there are more and more numbers after 8. Then how will we draw the numbers from 20 to 30 in a number line? From 20 to 30 in a number line. So when we start to draw a number line, we have to draw a straight line. So I'm going to draw a straight line here. A straight line here. So number is starting from 20 and we need to mark number 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So we need 11 numbers to mark. So here I am starting with number 0 in the ruler. In the scale, I am starting with number 0 and I mark in the number 5 and 10. So I am used skip count by 5 here, and 10, then 15, 20, 25. Can you say what will be the next number? 30. Very good. And 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. So here I am starting with the number 20. Then I'm starting with the number 20 and then 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25, 26, 27 and 28, 29 and 30. So we know there are some more numbers after 30. So we have to mark an arrow here. And also we know there are some numbers before 20. You know, before 20. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So we have to mark another arrow here. So here one arrow and another arrow in here. So there are more numbers in the before 20 and there are some more numbers after 30. We marked 2 arrows in both sides of number line to indicate there are more numbers in the left and also in the right side. So here we can draw a number line. It shows the numbers from 20 to 30. How can I do skip count by 2 in a number line? Skip count by 2 starting with 0 in a number line. So we know starting from 0 and skipping one number, then next number will be 2 and skipping one number 3 and next number will be 4. So when we mark numbers in a number line, first we have to draw a straight line. So here I'm going to draw a straight line here. And I need to mark skip count by 2 starting from 0. So first I'm started with 0 in this scale and then marked in 10, 20 and 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70 and 80. So the gap between the numbers are marked. And next starting from 0. So here 0. Then we used skip count by 2. So the next number will be 2. Here 1 is skipped. And 2 is the. Then 3 skipped. And 4. Can you say what will be the next number? Yes, 6 and 8. Then 10, 12 and 14, 16. So here from 16 is number ends? No. We can draw an arrow in both sides in a number line. We can draw in the side of 0 also. So it is better to mark the arrow in the left and right of number line. Now we studied about what is number line and how to mark numbers in a number line. You understand? So that is enough for today. Here I am going to wind up today's class. Thank you. Thank you very much.